Hey guys, it's Andrew here at Clawson Honda, and today we'll be discussing brake services. Brakes are an essential component of your vehicle because, well, they stop your car. If your brakes are squeaking, grinding, or if you feel any abnormal vibrations in the brake pedal, it may be time to get your brakes inspected. Today we're going to perform a brake pad replacement and a rotor resurface. Now let's take a look.
First, the technician will raise your vehicle to remove the tires. Once all 4 tires are removed from the vehicle, the tech will then remove the old brake pads. Brake pads wear down over time, and as they break down, they leave residue on the rotors. It is important to replace the brake pads to maintain a safe vehicle, and on average this should occur around 40 to 50,000 miles. However, it will vary from driver to driver. Once the old brake pads are removed, the technician will begin the rotor resurfacing. A fraction of the brake rotor will be ground down. This process will remove any residue and give the brake pads a clean surface to grip. Once all 4 rotors have been resurfaced, the fresh brake pads will be installed on all 4 tires. After the brake pads have been replaced and secured, the tires will be remounted on the vehicle. Now you're ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. If you need to schedule a service appointment, just call the number at the bottom of the screen. We'll see you soon.